Me starting an entire wig series inspired by desserts, a concept, because Ritz is giving me salted caramel macchiato realness. I'm talking rich chocolatey red velvet vibes. She is your everyday wig turned dulce de leche deluxe. I'm telling you, this unit is giving me everything that I need, and we're gonna get into her. Make sure you keep on watching, because them feather bangs, they're gonna get you, sis. Now meet Ritz. She's my latest obsession, and this is a 13x7 lace frontal unit. Look at the color scheme, insane. And they're offering an adjustable elastic band. Talking about the parting versatility with this 13x7 lace frontal will give you that realistic feel. Now, trying her on straight out the pack, I trimmed the lace near the ear tabs, but this hairline is giving scoop neck tease. The curvature is so round. Like, you can miss me with that, but stick with me. So because the unit comes with an elastic band pre-installed, it can be a little bit uncomfortable around the ears. So I like to apply the Wigrip just for added comfort. Now, when you place your unit onto your head, I mean, you're gonna get into it. You know, the lace is a little ashy. I didn't apply anything to it, but I'm just going in with a little bit of mousse just to slick those baby hairs back. They are curly, and I just want to make sure they are out of my way. Now, it wouldn't be a tastePINK tutorial if I did not do a bit of customization, and I hope you guys aren't like discouraged by, you know, my customization tips or techniques. I really try to show them often and to show you guys how consistent I am with them, because you too can get to this level. And I go so hard because y'all love those styles so much, so I just keep trying to improve by means of practice. If you aren't into plucking or tweezing your units, this may not be the style for you, because again, I'm trying to reduce the curvature of the hairline and make it look more realistic and improve that transitional density. That's, you know, one of the tips I talk about in my Pluck and Sip live, which so many of you guys offer positive feedback, and I'm so grateful that it helped. So it'll be in the cards section and the description box. Now, the thing about tweezing and plucking your units is that it may seem like a lot of work, but ultimately it's going to make a difference. Your unit is going to look so much better. Now, granted, this unit is around the $50 price point. So what are our thoughts about spending that price to still have to do this kind of work, especially at that hairline? Stop giving me a scoop neck hairline. So I'm going in with my hot comb. You know, we always have to use the back edge of the hot comb to slick the hair down. This allows you to create that flip over method, especially if you don't want a super defined part. I feel like that looks so much more seductive. Like, meet me in the comments, let me know how you feel about that. Now, once I use my double prong clips to just keep the hair out of my face, I'm sorry it got a little bit blurry, but I'm trimming the lace at the center. I like to install in increments. It makes it a lot easier. Now, I'm setting up a line of demarcation to follow so that I don't bring this unit too forward, because then this hairline will be touching my eyebrows, and you know what? I'm not one for that. So I'm going in with the high Insta hold or Insta high hold. I can never remember the name. I'm gonna spray several layers. And you want to go in with your blow dryer on the cool setting to set it in place. Now be careful about how far you pull that unit forward, because she will be down to the bridge of your nose, so take it easy, all right? Now, just to touch up the lace, I wanted to hit it with a bit more of this spray. This is the perfect way to install your unit. This spray is everything. It's super inexpensive. If nothing else, get this one or the mini hardhead spray. They are one of my favorites. But what I will say is that if you use this product on this particular hair fiber, it's going to create a considerable amount of residue. So one of the things that you're going to have to do is go in with a bit of alcohol or water to break the product down that's sitting on the hair. And if nothing else, with this lace, she's gonna melt. She's gonna melt. I mean, I'm done. I'm too through. The lace is invisible. It blends seamlessly, and that's no product used to tint or alter the color of the lace. So Y'all see me out here. The dulce de leche is baking. We're ready. She's brewing. She's getting herself together. And so this is where I'm just going in to just remove that residue from the spray because I don't want crunchy hair. Took the elastic band off and it nearly had a moment. Okay, she's in place, but again, she's super round. Please square me out, please. Okay, square me out is giving baby doll realness, and you know, I didn't sign up for that. Again, you have to go back in with your hot comb using that back edge to slick everything down. But you know what time it is. We're moving into my favorite thing. We do adult swoops. Now, I definitely didn't want to do too much, but the swoops that I did, they had to kind of create a different shape for the hairline, sort of to add a little bit more like some square vibes, because I was giving scoop neck on a sweater, you know what I'm saying? And I don't like that. This is on my head, not my neckline. So I'm just working it out, swooping it out. Y'all know my favorite mousse. I'll have it linked in the description box. If you don't have it by now, sis, why are you playing? Like, get this mousse. It's really everything. But tell me how I did, you know, could I have plucked more? Like right now it's looking like I could have, but I feel like the look comes together, and because it's lighter in its color, you want to be careful because you pluck too much. I mean, it's going to look like skin on skin if you're my complexion. So, and it doesn't have the dark root. How y'all feel about that? It doesn't have the dark root. Does that scare you, make you nervous? At this point, I'm all done up. I'm feeling myself. This is a unit where you definitely have to have your paddle brush on hand. Not that it gets like super tangly or knots. It will have some knots, but honestly, this unit is super slick. I wore it for 4 days straight. And I mean, you get a few tangles, but it's not overwhelming. I feel like they did a really good job with this. Did get some shedding, but again, I did a considerable amount of plucking, so I could just be removing like the excess shed hairs. But you get deep parting into the crown. You can part on the right, okay? And you can swoop it over however you like. You know what I'm saying? Be gentle. I'm just giving you the visuals. You could swoop it to the left, or you could do the flip over method. That's one of my favorites. And I think it's, you know, the least intimidating of the, you know, options that are available. But sis, like, this hair, ridiculous. Like, I'm in love. $50, okay. Dolce de leche me, please. Salted caramel macchiato me, please. This look is everything. And if you like, you know, the wigs inspired by desserts, definitely check out my previous video, my more recent one. You know, I was given like red velvet teas in that one, cranberry sauce vibes. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and you know, you gotta hit that thumbs up button, share this with your homeboys and your homegirls, kiki with me in the comments. I love when we can discuss these looks, and I hope I see you in the next one. Take care.